कैसे कर रहे हो भाई?
अपना भाई है ना।
You can also rent your favorite bikes with just the snap of your fingers. Visit royalbrothers.com or download the app to know more.
Hello riders, welcome back to Garage Talk. It's episode 2. Today is a very interesting topic and this is all about taking care of your loose ends. You might be wondering what's loose end. Nah, it's all about motorcycle. We're going to talk about how to tighten your chain and lubricate your chain as well. Having said that, let me bring back my man, Salman Bhai. कैसे हो सलमान भाई?
बढ़िया हो भाई, आप कैसे हो?
बढ़िया हूँ. आज कुछ तूफानी किया जाए.
हाँ चलो.
Well, before we get started today, I just want to talk about Salman. He is the mechanic head in Royal Brothers. He has a good number of experience, close to 7 years of experience. So that's all about now. But yes, we're going to talk more in terms of garage talk today. Without any further delays, let's get started. So we would need two sets of bits. One is of 30 and one is of 24. We would also need a ring wrench, which is of 18 and 19. We also need 12 and 13 as well. And the screwdriver. Watch the video till the end to find out what is the purpose of this. Let's begin by checking the slackness of the chain. First we have to use the 24 bit to loosen the outer bolt and 30 bit to loosen the inner bolt. Then we will be loosening the 19 number bolt to loosen the entire sprocket. Once that is done, we have to take a screwdriver which will be used to adjust the teeth of the sprocket. It has to be kept equal on both the sides. After doing that, we have to tighten both the inner as well as the outer bolt, followed by checking the slackness of the chain once again. After checking, we can lock the thread by tightening the 19 size bolt. Once everything is done, we can lube the chain finally. Now Salman, being an expert mechanic, knows how to spray, but we would recommend you all to use the nozzle provided along with the lube. Once this is done, we can tighten the rear brake by tightening the bolt. It can be done by moving the wrench clockwise. Well riders, you saw that, how easy it was to get your chain tightened, lubricate the chain. Also we did the brake tightening as well. Well, we're gonna wrap up this session today and you know the drill.
अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना.